Hello and welcome to our channel. Well, Christmas is coming and that can mean only one thing. Lots of people are going to be getting their new coffee machines for Christmas. And for those of us who already have their beloved Tassimo, we've got some new flavours. We've got the Costa Gingerbread Latte. So today we're going to check out the Tassimo Costa Gingerbread Latte. And I don't know about you, I can't wait. So the first couple of things we're going to do is make sure we've got fresh water. So I'm going to fill that up now. Okay, the next thing I'm going to have to do is, because Tracey has been drinking her beloved hot chocolate, we need to just quickly clean the unit, otherwise all we're going to taste is chocolate. So you need to do this probably once a week. So get your little disc. If you've lost yours or you've got a machine that comes about and you can find them on Amazon very cheaply, just pop one of those in there. Where you put your T disc. On this model, the Myway, you see it recognises it, and then just run that cycle. That will clean any flavours or stuff that's left in the coffee machine, so that we're all ready to go for the gingerbread latte. I don't know if you can pick that up on the camera there, but that has a distinctly chocolatey hue to it, so that was definitely worth doing. So, change your water, clean the machine. We're ready to rumble. Okay, so the first thing, we need to take a tray out on this model, just to make sure we can get a latte glass under there. This will vary a little bit depending on what model you have, but just make sure it fits neatly. We just need to start with the milk. And actually, these all need a good shake now, since they've been condensed. They did used to be that size, but now they're half the size. They do need a good shake. And for this one, you've got milk, and the actual flavouring is always in this disc. The coffee is just a normal espresso. So here we go then. Our first gingerbread latte in the run up to Christmas. And that's a terrific smell. To me, gingerbread is one of those smells that I associate since a kiddie as Christmas, so it's absolutely fantastic. I'm just starting to wonder if I've actually got the right glass there. That's starting to look awfully full, isn't it? Very frothy. Now remember, don't get tempted to unhook this too soon. You need to wait till the flashing light. It varies by unit, but they all have a flashing light that tells you when it's safe to flip that lid up. And what's actually happening, the unit is depressurising itself, so it's safe for you to undo it. If you get a hiss and a pop, and when you undo this, then you're releasing it too soon, and you're certainly shortening the life of any of the Tassimo units. So with this, the Myway, we can see that stop flashing, we're okay. So that could come off. If when you do that, you get a then you're damaging the unit. Wait a bit, wait until it's ready, and then you can flip over. So with all coffees, you always start with the milk first, or the creamer. So now we're going to put a latte in. It says it's just a normal espresso. On this one, you can select how strong you want. I'm going to go very strong. Because I've selected very strong, this part here takes a little bit longer, and you'll see when the coffee first comes out, it's very, very dark. It looks like I've probably just about got the right glass there. How good does that look? So if you check our channel, you'll find out everything you ever wanted to know about Tassimo, how to clean it, how to descale it, how to save half the cost. I'll put some links below where you can buy all the tea discs at the best prices. I hope you have a wonderful, enjoyable gingerbread latte. If you have any questions, please put them below. I'd love to answer them. Thank you for the millions of you that have watched all my coffee videos. And it only goes to say, have a wonderful, peaceful Christmas. Have a great holiday time. Please subscribe, like this video, share it with your friends, and I hope you have a wonderful coffee this Christmas.